Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to make barbecue with pork. So let's eat together. The first we are going to make sauce by using some ingredients as garlic,
cilantro root,
pepper powder, kaffir lime leaves, chili pepper powder, fish sauce, soy sauce, oyster sauce, palm sugar, sweet milk, pouring all ingredients into sliced pork. Adding olive oil and corn flour and then mixing all ingredients with pork and marinate about 45 minutes. We use bamboo stick for barbecue. Put all bamboo stick into water about 45 minutes so the bamboo stick gets wet and it doesn't burn quickly as the tips. Now it is time to cook it. Our barbecue is ready. Let's try it together.
Thank you for your valuable time watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel for latest video. Thank you.